Hello everyone, Tajahao, Washi Chaosu, and that's my Chinese name. If you are new in my channel, I am an OFW in Taiwan for decades and soon will retire. So today's video, we will unboxing this Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. Someone helped me to bought it. It's 599 AUD here in Australia. If you want to add custom prescription lenses, you need to add 399 AUD. And it will cost a lot for me. So I decided to prescribe it in Taiwan. I choose the matte frame. You can answer call, listening music. You can do what everything you want with these actual glasses. And yes, I'm blind. I choose the clear lenses so I can use it even inside the room. Yes, absolutely. So beautiful. In a person love taking videos, this is good for you. The glass case is made of real leather and this is the charger too. It's very lightweight. So cute cases. Inside the box, there's a cloth for glass and a card care. After this, you need to download the Meta AI app in your phone. I'm so excited to use this. This is the best if you are a shy type person. Shy type using big camera. And that's all. Say Jen, everyone. See you in my next vlog.